The Nucleus Smart App is the first ever mobile application to control a cochlear implant sound processor directly from a compatible Apple or Android device. The Nucleus Smart App is compatible with the Cochlear Nucleus 7 and Kanso 2 sound processor. From the app's home screen, you can quickly and easily adjust volume, change program, and start and stop streaming audio from true wireless devices. To check your sound processor status and battery life, tap one of the icons in the top right-hand corner of the screen to access the status screen. The status screen will show your sound processor status, battery level, the level of sound being delivered to the sound processor, and the audio source. From the status screen, if you have a Kanso 2 sound processor, you can also access the Sound Check feature by tapping the microphone icon in the top right-hand corner of the app. This feature allows parents and carers to check the microphones on a Kanso 2 sound processor to make sure they are working properly. In the app's menu, open the Hearing Tracker to find important information about your hearing. It also helps parents and carers to learn more about how a loved one is using their sound processor. The Hearing Tracker shows you the time spent in a speaking environment, allows you to set a goal, and has tips about how to increase time in speech. The Hearing Tracker also tracks the number of times in a day your sound processor is disconnected from your cochlear implant. There are also tips to help you prevent your coil or sound processor from falling off. You can use the Nucleus Smart App to turn forward focus on and off if it has been enabled by your clinician. Forward focus is an additional feature that works by reducing noise coming from behind you. This allows you to concentrate on face-to-face conversations in noisy environments. From the home screen, tap Program, and then tap to turn forward focus on and off. We all misplace things. With the Nucleus Smart App, you can find a lost Nucleus 7 or Kanso 2 sound processor using location technology. Open Find My Processor, and the Nucleus Smart App will show you the last location the sound processor had contact with your compatible smartphone. The Nearby feature can also help you to find a sound processor when you're connected via Bluetooth. Open Settings to adjust other sound processor and notification settings, and tap About to find other information about your sound processor. For help using the Nucleus Smart App, tap Help to see a useful list of frequently asked questions.